Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 12, Special Purpose Subsidiary Books. So in previous chapter we had studied what is subsidiary books, the different types of subsidiary books, and under that we had studied cash book and petty cash book. In this chapter we would be studying purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return, and journal proper. So first let's start with purchase book. So write down first one, purchase book. Under that write down, all credit purchase of goods are recorded in the purchase book. Full stop. Goods here mean only those things in which the firm is dealing. तो परचेज बुक में सिर्फ क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड होंगे एंड ओनली दोज ट्रांजैक्शन इन विच द फर्म इज डीलिंग. से फॉर एग्जांपल कोई फर्म का लाइट का बिजनेस है, इन दैट परचेज बुक वी कैन नॉट रिकॉर्ड परचेज ऑफ क्लोथ्स और एनी अदर डिटेल्स. ओनली those details will be recorded which is related to the business. Next, write down format of purchase book. We have date, particulars, invoice number, LF, details, purchase, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST, and total amount. So write down first column is date, then we have particulars, then we have invoice number, LF, details, purchases, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST, and last column is total. So in date column we would write the date, particulars whatever is purchased, invoice number जो भी invoice number रहेगा, in purchases column जो भी net amount रहेगा, that is if there is trade discount we need to deduct that and write in the purchase column. Then CGST, SGST रहा तो that we need to fill in the CGST, SGST column. So let us work out a problem. Take down illustration 1. Enter the following transaction in the purchase book of Pawan Electric Store, New Delhi, assuming CGST, SGST at 6%. June 2nd, goods purchased from Surya Electric, Chandni Chowk, 40 tube lights, 15 table fan, trade discount. Bought goods from New Light Traders, New Delhi. 20th, purchased goods from Ravindra Electronic Company. Then on 22nd, we have bought from Sunny Lamp, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi, for cash. So cash transactions will not be recorded. And on 28th we have bought from Fashion Furniture. So purchase of furniture will not be recorded as it is not related to the business. So let us work out the problem. Take down the format. First heading will be books of Pawan Electric Store, New Delhi. Purchases book. Draw the format. We have date, particulars, invoice number, LF, details, purchases, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST, and total. Date, particulars, invoice number, LF, details, purchases, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST, and total. So for 2nd June, we need to write the name of company, that is Surya Electric Store, Chandni Chowk, Under that we have 40 tube lights at 500. So it is 40 into 500. In the details column you'll write 20,000. Then we have 15 table fans at 2,000. So 15 into 2,000, 30,000. What is the total? 50,000. Then we have less trade discount at 20%. So 50,000 into 20 by 100, that is 10,000. How much do we get? 40,000. Then we need to add CGST at 6%. So 40,000 into 6 by 100, 2,400. SGST at 6%, 40,000 into 6 by 100, 2,400. So what is the total? 44,800. So under purchases, we will be writing the amount after trade discount, that is 40,000. Input CGST is 2,400, SGST is 2,400. There is no IGST. What is the total? 44,800. Next we have June 10th. New light traders, Congnagat Palace, or you can write CP, New Delhi. We have 10 fans at 3,000. So 10 into 3,000 is how much? Under details column 30,000. Then we have 20 irons at 500. So 20 into 500 is 10,000. Total is 40,000. We have a trade discount at 10%. So trade discount at 10%, 40,000 into 10 by 100. How much do we get? 4,000. So what is the total now? 36,000. Then we have add CGST at 6%. So 36,000 into 6 by 100, 2,160. CGST at SGST at 6%, 2,160. What is the total? 40,320. So under purchases column, we will write 36,000. Input CGST 2160, SGST 2160. Total is 40,320. Next on June 20th, we have Ravindra Electric Co., New Delhi. 100 dozen bulbs at 600 per dozen. So 100 into 600 is 60,000. Then we have 20 water heaters at 1,000. So 20 into 1,000 is 20,000. Total is 80,000. Less trade discount at 25%. So 80,000 into 25 by 100, we get 20,000. We get the total 60,000. Then add CGST at 6%. So 60,000 into 6 by 100, 3,600. SGST at 6% is 3,600. So under purchases column, we'll write 60,000. Input CGST 3,600, SGST 3,600, and total is 67,200. So on the month end, that is on 30th June, we would be writing the total. Purchases total is 1,36,000. 8,160 is CGST, 8,160 is SGST, and total is 1,52,320. It's a very simple type of problems where you just need to write whatever has been given in the question. After the problem, write down the note. First one, Purchase on 22nd June will not be recorded as it is cash purchases. Write down the second one. Only the purchase of goods and not an asset is recorded in this book. Full stop. The firm is dealing in electric goods. As such, purchase of furniture will not be recorded. Take down the next side heading. Freight or cartage charges. Under that, write down freight or cartage charges are incurred on purchase of goods. Full stop. After the introduction of GST, comma, it will not be appropriate to provide a separate column for freight in the purchase book. Full stop. The reason is that GST is levied on purchase of goods at different rates, whereas as per GST Act, GST on freight is charged at 18%. So before GST came into consideration, we used to have a separate column for freight, but after GST, we will not be having a separate column. Because in case of GST, there are different rates in purchases, that is 0, 5, 12, 18, 28. But जो freight का GST है, that is fixed to 18%. So in such a case, how would we work out the problem? Take down illustration 2. Enter the following transaction, the purchase book of Superior Cloth House, New Delhi, assuming CGST, SGST at 2.5%. Purchase from Radhakishan, New Delhi, 100 meter cloth, 80 meter and trade discount. Purchase from Raghubir of Kanpur, UP. So this is interstate purchases and not within the state. So in this case, we would be having IGST at 5%. Then we have purchase from Modern Furniture, New Delhi. This will not be recorded as the company is dealing with cloth and not furniture. And last we have Hariom, Gujarat. This will also be IGST. So in the purchase book, the recording will be the same, but there will be a separate working note for freight charges. So write down books of Superior Cloth House, Delhi, purchases book. So write down date, particulars, invoice number, LF, details, purchases, input CGST, input SGST, input IGST and total. So first entry we have on 4th April 2018. Radha, Krishna and Sons, Delhi. Under that we have 100 meter cloth at 200 per meter. So 200 into 100 we get 20,000. So they have given us the invoice number. So under the invoice number write 305. In the previous problem I forgot to write the invoice number. So you are supposed to write the invoice number, that is, for the first one it is 480, second 2310 and last it is 1508. Then we have 80 meters at 500 per meter. So 80 into 500 we get 40,000. Total is 60,000. Less trade discount at 20%. So 60,000 into 20 by 100 we get 12,000. 48,000 is the total. Add CGST at 2.5%, 1,200. SGST at 2.5%, again 1,200. How much do we get? 50,400. So under the purchases column, the total will be 48,000. Input CGST 1,200, IGST 1,200. Total will be 50,400. Next, 12th April. Raghubir, Prashad and Co. Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Under that we have 50 meters at 600 per meter. So 50 into 600, it is 30,000. Then we have 40 meter at 250. So 40 into 250 we get 10,000. Total is 40,000. Less trade discount at 10%. How much is it? 4,000. We get the total 36,000. Add, we have IGST as it is interstate at 5%, that is 1,800. Total is 37,800. Under the purchases, 36,000. IGST we will be having 1,800. Total is 37,800. And then we have the last entry of 25th April. Hariom and Sons, Gujarat. Under that we have 100 meter of cloth at 600 per meter, so 60,000. Less we have trade discount at 15%, so it will be 9,000. Total is 51,000. Add IGST at 5%, 2,550. We get 53,550. Under purchase column 51,000. Under IGST we have 2850. And total will be having 53,550. Then on 30th April, what will be the total? Purchases, it is 1,35,000. CGST 1,200, SGST 1,200, IGST is 4,350. And total will be 1,41,750. So now we will be passing a separate entry for freight. Write down working note. So what are the freight charges? In the last entry they have said that freight charges are 3,000 rupees. So there will be a separate entry for that, that is freight inwards account debited. How much is it? 3,000. We will be having input IGST. How much is it? 3,000 into 18 by 100. That is 540. To Hari Om and Sons. That is 3,540. Write down the narration. Freight charges on goods purchased from outside the state. So because in the last entry they had given us freight charges of 3,000, we would debit our input IGST as it is fixed to 18% only. Clear? So there will be a separate entry, that is freight inwards account, input IGST to whoever is the seller, that is Hariom and Sons account. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.